Since 1982, Extang has been perfecting the truck bed cover. For over 10 years, the Trifecta has been the best-selling soft-folding truck bed cover in the world. Now we are proud to introduce the all-new Trifecta 2.0. Like the original, the Trifecta 2.0 is incredibly simple to use. To close the cover, unbuckle the straps, fold the cover back, then secure it using Extang's all-new Easy Lock clamps. The tailgate can be opened and closed with the cover in any position. The Trifecta 2.0 keeps prying eyes out, and locking the tailgate helps ensure that no one will get into your truck bed. The Trifecta 2.0 allows you to retain ready access to your bed for easy loading and unloading. When properly secured, the Trifecta 2.0 can be driven in the open position. For extra large cargo, the whole cover can be removed in seconds. Just release the T-handles on our new jaw grip front clamps, then lift the cover off. This premium truck bed cover requires no assembly, no drilling, and installation is as easy as positioning the cover on your truck and tightening the clamps. You can go from out of the box to on the road in just a few minutes. When closed, the Trifecta 2.0 sits low on your truck bed. Its soft curves and sleek design create a smooth, contoured, low-profile appearance. And the heavy-duty leather-grained vinyl has been tested to withstand the harshest winter and summer conditions. Drawing on our decades of experience, Extang has re-engineered the frame, hinges, and corners of the Trifecta 2.0 to provide even greater durability and lasting value. The new multi-lip seals are installed without adhesive and have a crisp, straight appearance that provide the best seal available for incredibly effective protection from the elements. The frame is the strongest and best looking in the industry. Made from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum, the frame is painted black to match the vinyl. Extang's all-new Easy Lock clamp features an exclusive spring action handle that locks the cover to the truck when you release it. Our new jaw grip front clamp grips each side of the bed rail, creating both lateral and downward force, providing a secure installation without damaging your truck. It attaches securely to the truck bed without distorting the bed rail. Extang is committed to quality and stands behind the Trifecta 2.0 with a best-in-class lifetime warranty. Trifecta 2.0 premium soft folding truck bed cover is the perfect complement to your truck. The Extang Trifecta 2.0 is the #1 choice in truck bed covers.